Hello everyone, welcome to Shubha Tutorials. This is the third part of the preparation classes for CTET and TET Paper 2 Science questions. Now let's begin. The first question: antibiotics are effective against influenza, hepatitis A, dengue fever, cholera. So here the answer is cholera. Cholera is an infectious disease caused by a bacteria, Vibrio cholerae, and is transmitted by housefly. To a cholera patient, antibiotics should be given. Now, the second question: the minerals that are required in the right amount for proper functioning of muscles are. The options here are: first one, iodine and fluorine; second one, iron and iodine; third option, iron and calcium; and the fourth one, sodium and potassium. Yes, the answer here is iron and calcium. For perfect functioning of muscles, iron and calcium minerals are required in adequate amounts. Now, the third question: the gases present in atmosphere that causes greenhouse effect are. So the options here are: first one, methane, water vapor, carbon dioxide; second option, carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen; and the third option, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, methane; and the fourth option, nitrogenous oxides, oxygen, water vapor. So what is the answer here? Yes, the answer is methane. First option, methane, water vapor, carbon dioxide. Yes, we can see here the earth and its objects absorbs the infrared radiations coming from the sun, but the rejected infrared radiations are absorbed by the gases like carbon dioxide, methane, water vapors, etc. present in the atmosphere. Thus, the gases maintains the Earth's temperature and are called greenhouse gases. And this whole effect is called greenhouse effect. Now, let's see the fourth question. Which one of the following man-made fiber is also called artificial silk? Acrylic, polyester, nylon, rayon. So the answer here is rayon. Rayon is obtained from the cellulose. So it is called a man-made fiber. It is termed as artificial silk due to the resemblance in appearance with the silk. Now let's see the next question, that is fifth one. The dietary fibers are, so what are they made up of? Does they made up of collagen fibers, or the second option made up of proteins, or the third one also are called roughages, and the fourth option made up of cellulose and proteins? So what is the answer here? The answer here is also called roughages. You can see here, in balanced diet, main nutrients are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and mineral salts. Besides it is dietary fibers and water are also includes in our diet. Dietary fibers are also called roughages. The requirement of dietary fibers complete from the plant products. The main source of dietary fibers are pulses, fresh fruits, fruit juice and vegetables. These fibers also help in the ejection of undigested food from our body in the form of feces. So the next question, the gas which forms carboxyhemoglobin in the blood causing suffocation is. So we can see the options here: carbon monoxide, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, chlorofluorocarbons. So what is the answer here? Yes, the answer here is carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide has the higher affinity towards the hemoglobin, even the higher than that of the oxygen. It combines with the hemoglobin to give carboxyhemoglobin complex, and by this prevent the supply of oxygen to the tissues. Hence, the person feels suffocation or may die for the need of oxygen in the environment of carbon monoxide. Now, the seventh one, the smallest living organism which with a cell wall are. So, which is the smallest living organism with a cell wall here? The options yeast, algae, cyanobacteria, bacteria. Yes, the answer is bacteria. The smallest living organism with cell wall is bacteria. Cell wall is made up of cellulose. Cellulose is a very complex substance and provides the structure protection to the cell. Cell wall protects the plant cells, bacteria cells and the fungal cells from the dissociation even in very dilute solutions. So, the answer is bacteria. Now, the eighth question. The process of converting sugar into alcohol is known as pasteurization, sterilization, homogenization or fermentation. So, which is the answer here? Yes, the answer is fermentation. The process of conversion of carbohydrates into alcohol and carbon dioxide by using the yeast or some bacteria is called fermentation. In simple language, fermentation is the process of conversion of sugar into alcohols. Now, the ninth question. Maximum quantity of carbon is present in petrol, kerosene, lubricant oil, lignol. So, which is the answer? Yes, the answer is lubricant oil. Maximum quantity of carbon is present in lubricant oil. Now, the 10th question. Which blood corpuscles help in coagulation of blood? So, the options are lymphocyte, platelets, monocyte, red blood corpuscles. Yes, the answer is platelets. So, that's all for today. And for more questions, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.